Hi everyone, thank you for showing up for the presentation and for our proposal. The main topic of discussion today is to discuss the optimization of the Clozapine distribution process at Buffalo Psychiatric Center. As you know, we are students of University of Buffalo. Today, I am representing my group. My group also consists of Karthik Kumar, Lionel, Mihir and Sanyogita, who are the team members who will be working on this project along with me. So let's begin by trying to get an idea about what Buffalo Psychiatric Center is all about. As you know, it was established in the 1970s. It's located in 400 Forest Avenue in Buffalo, New York. It's state operated and it provides services for uh, various medical conditions of patients. It treats them and takes care of them. It also has an on-site facility where the patients are kept and looked after. And we are today going to concentrate mostly on the Butler Clinic, which caters towards the schizophrenic patients who come there bi-weekly, uh, and they come on every Tuesday for 2 hours, and there are around 64 patients who are taken care of during that 2-hour time period. So let's go through the process. As you know, we have been coming here for the last 2 weeks and observing the process of how the schizophrenia patients are administered their daily medicine or bi-weekly medicine, and they are also treated by drawing their blood and doing an analysis of it. The nature of the patient, as you know, is schizophrenic, so they are very uh, not so tolerant of waiting around in queues. Uh, every Tuesday at 9 a.m. They come, and it's a first come first served basis. So if 10 patients come all together, they all have to wait till one patient gets processed, and that kind of freaks them out sometimes because of their condition. Their vital signs are taken, and they are basically coming in two groups every 2 weeks. One group shows up, and then another week another group shows up. And uh, let's move on to the next slide, and I'll describe for you what's happening today. Um, the weekly schedule of the patients, as you know, is bi-weekly, every 2 weeks. The time slots are not allotted. Uh, so, for example, if the patients are called in a staggered approach, instead of just calling them in at a general time of 9 a.m., if they are called in every 10 minutes, at a gap of every 10 minutes, like 9 a.m., 9:10, 9:20, 9:30, that would definitely reduce their waiting times. That's one observation which was quite evident from our data collection activities. Um, Another issue that we saw was um, all the documentation of the patients coming in was done manually, and the analyst who sits at the front desk was contacting some other clinics where they also go for other tests to get their test results. This was kind of a bottleneck. It could have been done earlier, and that information could have been available to the nurse. Um, but that's a lack of software integration between the two hospital systems. Definitely that was an issue. Also, the bottlenecking factor that we observed was the blood drawing process. Since we only have one nurse or one doctor who's doing that operation, it kind of becomes a bottleneck, and all the patients have to wait on that activity even if they are done with other parts of their examination. So that needs to happen, and as we go further we will elaborate on that. Also, as I mentioned, there is a gap of communication between various facilities where they also go for blood drawing, and data flow is not optimized. So that's another issue that we observe. So why are we here today? The main reason being, over the course of